Why did God stay with his people after their mistakes?
Great question. First, while Moses was on the mountain, the people became impatient and wanted something they could see. Second, they made a golden calf and worshipped it, forgetting what God had already done. Third, even after this failure, God did not walk away from his people.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. Mistakes do not cancel God's love or presence. 2. God corrected his people but also showed mercy and forgiveness. 3. God's goal was not punishment but restoration and closeness.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Step 1. Waiting and uncertainty activate stress and impatience in the brain. Step 2. When people look for quick comfort, unhelpful habits can form. Step 3. Repeated repair and right choices build new trust pathways.
How does this show up in real life?
Number 1. This shows up when people make poor choices while feeling bored or impatient. Number 2. Mistakes can bring shame and fear of rejection. Number 3. Growth often includes repair, not perfection.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small acts of repair slowly rebuild trust. Second, the tabernacle was built piece by piece with care and obedience. Third, consistent faith invites God's presence daily.
So, how do I start?
1. Notice when impatience pushes you toward quick comfort. 2. Name the feeling you are trying to escape: boredom, fear, or frustration. 3. Choose one small act of repair today: apologize, wait, or do the right thing quietly.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple, but powerful. Step 1. Repair one small mistake instead of hiding it. Step 2. Notice how peace grows when honesty replaces avoidance. Step 3. Comment one word that describes what repair means to you and subscribe to grow wisdom together. Remember, God did not abandon his people after failure. His presence through the tabernacle brought stability and peace. God still chooses to stay with imperfect people as they grow.
See you in the next episode.